If you are paying for n8n Cloud or struggling with complex server setups, this video will be for you. I'm going to show you how to move all your workflows to Hostinger VPS, and honestly, it's super simple. By the end of this video, you'll have your own n8n instance running, no super technical knowledge needed at all. Plus, I've got a discount code that will save you an extra 10%. So let's get into it. Just a bit of context. I run automations for dental clinics and service businesses, and I was burning through those n8n Cloud limits and needed something more flexible. So here's the deal with self-hosting. First of all, you own your data completely, which can be essential when handling customer data or clients' information. So it gives you control. And not just control of data, you can also install any custom community nodes. The third one, and that's a big one for me, is obviously the unlimited executions and workflows you get. And this is the core reason I'm actually switching from n8n Cloud to self-hosting on Hostinger. So there is no execution limits, run as many executions and workflows as you want. And of course the pricing. As of November 2025, and that's obviously the Black Friday special, they have a price of $4.99 per month for their very basic KVM1 virtual private server, which is almost 4 times cheaper than the official price for the n8n Cloud right now. And as I already mentioned, even the basic plan has a limitation, such as number of executions you get in a month. And for the Pro plan, of course, they charge even more. It's $50 per month. Why Hostinger? Well, they literally built it for n8n. One-click install, automatic backups, and it's all about 4 times cheaper than n8n's cloud pricing. By the way, Hostinger is not sponsoring this video, but I'm moving my entire setup here for the reasons I've just mentioned. Plus, they have a very nice Black Friday promotion right now. So let me show you exactly how to set this up. First things first, we are currently on the front page, hostinger.com. By the way, the link will be attached in the description. In here, what you need to do, you select pricing and then choose n8n VPS. And it takes you straight to the plan selection. So just in 2 words, KVM1 works fine if you are just testing or starting with n8n journey. That's gonna work fine for you. Don't worry, you can always upgrade with just 1 click later on. So I'm gonna go with KVM2 actually, and it's has 8 gigs of RAM, 2 CPUs. It pretty much handles everything I've wrote it at this point in time. But if you're still struggling to understand which plan to choose, what you can do, you can ask Cody, which is a virtual assistant on Hostinger. So it's located in the bottom right corner. So unfortunately, you are not able to see it because my screen is somehow cropped. So, but I'm gonna press on this button and you will see a pop-up window just in a sec. Look at this. So yeah, so this Cody appeared. What you can do here, you can describe your situation, how many workflows you have or how many executions you run on a daily, monthly, whatever basis, and it should recommend you the exact plan you might need. So which is super handy and useful, of course. So I'm gonna select the KVM2 plan, as I already said. Let's press on it. We are on the next page. We can see our order summary. So we went for KVM2 and the period of 24 months. So of course this gives us the biggest possible discount as of November 2025 and this Black Friday special. So of course, if you're gonna change the period to 1 month, your overall cost will go down, but obviously the monthly cost will increase. See whatever works for you. So another cool thing Hostinger currently offers with this 24 months order, you essentially get a free domain for an entire year with this order, which is super cool for some of us. Next thing they need to pay attention to is this daily auto backup. So it's recommended, but it's not compulsory. In case something goes wrong with your data, you can easily restore it. So I'm not gonna choose it, but I guess we can opt in for it later if you want to. So the next thing is the server selection location. So it's gonna be pre-selected for you automatically. So based on the best possible latency, you get even better deal by using a coupon code. So I'm not sponsored by Hostinger or n8n, but I have some friendly channels which I support and which I follow, and one of them is AI Workshop. This is a brilliant channel, and we're gonna use theirs instead. So we press on have a coupon code, just press on it and type in AI Workshop, hit apply, and here we go. We're gonna get even better discount. this is a steal, especially when you compare it to n8n cloud native pricing. To complete the payment, you need to create an account with Hostinger. So I'll skip ahead and meet you on the setup page. This part is important. We need to create a strong root password. So this will be needed to log into our virtual private server. So this is a completely different password compared to the one we just created for Hostinger account. So this is for virtual private server only. So pay attention how strict the criteria of this password should be. So I would recommend to use the password generator and then save it in your password manager or somewhere safe. Most probably you won't need it, but if something breaks, you'll be glad you have it. So all we need to do next is to press finish setup, and we can see our virtual private server is being built. So this will take about 5 minutes. I'm gonna fast forward it for you to save time. So it looks like we are good. The setup has been done. So now click manage VPS over here and just complete the survey quickly. Commercial reasons, mobile safe. Next, click on manage app button. So in here, what we need to do is set up our owner account for n8n. Just provide your details. Then make sure you don't check the I want to receive security and product updates. Otherwise, you're gonna get spammed by n8n. So make sure it's unchecked for you and then click next. So then just fill in the survey and press get started. Press on send me a free license key. This is very important. So then you get notification that your license key is on the way. So you just need to check your email address you just provided for n8n. So what's going to happen next? You're going to get your license key. You can copy the key yourself and head over to usage and plan to activate your license. Or you can just within the email press activate it and it will do it for you. So what you're going to get some premium features which are currently free as part of this setup. So as you can see, I've just received an email which contains the license key, and from here you can just press activate license key, or you can just copy the license key yourself, go to n8n and activate it from there. So I guess it's easier to just press a button and activate automatically. So let's do it. And there you go, you are in n8n. You can start creating your flows directly from here or move some of your flows from n8n cloud by just pressing create workflow. Then from here you can import it from URL or from a file. You can start building your own workflows in this environment yourself. However, there is one more thing I would like to do before we finalize this installation. So let's update our n8n to the latest version. Most people skip this step, but it takes just only 30 seconds and it's kind of a good practice because we'll need to do it occasionally. Let's go back to our Hostinger dashboard. In the top right corner, we can see the terminal. So let's press on it. Don't panic, I know it looks scary. Let me move myself to the right. We just need 3 different commands here. So I put them in the description down below. And the first command we'll need is called docker compose pull. So what it does essentially, it downloads the latest version of n8n, so ensuring the most recent code and features are available for us. So this step is crucial for updating the application. Let's press enter, and we can see that the n8n was pulled. We are in good shape here. As for the next command, which is docker compose down, so what it essentially does, it removes the currently running n8n container and any associated services defined in the docker composed file. Let's press enter. So looks like it's worked. And finally, the last command, which is docker compose up-d, it starts with n8n container again using the newly pulled image. So this command recreates the container with the updated version while preserving all your workflows and data stored in the Docker volumes. Let's press enter and we are good. We can see that all commands run successfully, no issues have been detected, and now we are running the latest version of n8n. Congratulations. You only need to do this when new versions come out, so maybe once in a month or so. So let's go back to our newly set up n8n on virtual private server. So what you can do here, obviously you can press create workflow and start building your workflows from scratch. Alternatively, you can just import the existing flows you have. So if you have them as JSON files, just import them. So let's do that quickly for demonstration purposes. And here we are. So we've got our first workflow set up. So you can easily move any existing workflows from your n8n cloud to your VPS server by just downloading them from n8n cloud and importing into the VPS environment. However, when you do that, you will need to update your credentials. I guess that's expected. That's it. You've got your own n8n server, no monthly limits, full control of your data, and it's costing you less than 2 cups of coffee a month. Well, depends on your location, of course. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe so you don't miss what I'm building with this setup. AI voice agents, automated booking systems, other automations and more. But if you would like to go deeper, I'm planning to launch a school community very soon. So the first 50 people get a completely free access. So you'll get n8n tutorials, access to exact workflows I use for my clients, and direct tech support. And if you are a business owner or run a service-based business and want to scale with automation, you can also book a free 30-minute strategy call with me. Link is below. So if you have any questions, drop them below, and I'll see you in the next one.